So in this video, I'm showing how I'm preparing my homeschool planner for this upcoming school year. This is my third year doing it this way. And what I do is I take this pocket organizer. Got this at Walmart. And it's a really thick, sturdy plastic. I like it because it has a clear pocket here where I added in my cover. And it also comes with 6 tabs with pockets on both sides. So I take this, I'm gonna take out the coil and then hole punch it with my Happy Planner hole punch. Then I add in the tabs, which I do 2 of the 8 tabs, the Avery Write and Erase. So they're the plastic ones, which I have them here. And then I'm just gonna add in some metal discs to make my planner. And then this is a view of the one I have right now. So I'm almost done using this one, and this is how I did this year. And I'm doing the same with this year. So before I start cutting and hole punching, I just wanted to show kind of how I have this organized. I just changed a few things from this last year. So I have my cover sheet. I have my years here. I also went in and added the holidays as well as some important school days and field trips. I have everything on one sheet. And then next I will have the months. So we're going to start in July. Here is I'll have notes, goals. I'll write in the lesson plans, which is the weeks of school that we did for this month. Any preparations I need to do. And then right now I just have my monthly calendar here. I still need to add in all my lesson plans. So I have that for all the months. So we should be starting in July and ending in April. And then I'm going to have a tab for each of my kids here. So here I went ahead and already have the video schedule since my son did 2nd grade last year. He's currently in 3rd, so I already had this done. That's why I have this printed. So I have the memory verses I'll be learning, as well as the art supply list. Same as for my other student, schedule, memory verses, and then the art supply list. Then I will be having the attendance. So I went ahead and printed this out. And this one, I got it at Calendar Labs. And I really like this view because you can see the whole year. And I have everything color-coded by months as well as what colors I'll be using. And then I have the attendance record for each kid. And then I'll have a place for field trips at the end. Next, I have extracurriculars, and then here's where I can write in supplies and things I buy throughout the year. Additional curriculum for science, history, and I'll be doing some foreign language. Any website logins I want to keep handy, and the contacts. And then the end here is where I'm going to add in all their grading sheets. So that's how I'm planning to do this. I also need to add in the lesson plans and then grades at the end. So this is basically everything I'll be using to make my homeschool planner. I have a pocket organizer with the plastic divider, so which I have here already. I have all my papers in here, my hole punches I'll be using, as well as my discs. So this is everything I'll be using aside from the papers I'll be printing out to do my planner.